Hello guys, welcome to Base in Gujarati. I'm sorry for disappointing you all my previous viewers, but suddenly few days ago I show a software named Vantoy for multiple booting ISOs, but I faced a problem while installing the software into pen drive. That's why I'm creating this video, and I digged in deep in YouTube, but though I didn't found the solution, so I have now a solution, and I want you to see the video and not to waste your time to finding the solution and directly apply this. So first of all, Vantoy is a multiple booting boot solution operating system software, and it will install directly into your pen drive, and just you have to drag your ISO file into this pen drive, and the pen drive is now bootable, so you can select the ISO and boot from the ISOs. So now first of all we have to download the software, and I have operating system Windows, so this is for Windows 10. That's why I am downloading this. The version is 1.0.10. Just click on it and just go down and down, just finding the software 3.67 MB Vantoy 1.0.10 Windows zip. Just click on it and it will be just downloading. Yeah, but I have already the software downloaded in my PC, so I'm gonna pause this and just minimizing this and going to File Explorer and here to downloads and full screen. Here we started the download, but I have previously downloaded and already unzipped the software, so this is the latest version. And first of all I will show you the problem. Let me plug in the pen drive. So it is here, and still I didn't get a notification. Just wait a little bit. Okay, yeah. So we just have to double tap on Vantoy 2 disk. This is the exe application. Here we can see this, and just double click on it, and it will ask our permission. While first time you are installing that, let me go back. I'm sorry for wasting your time. This is my first video in English, that's why I'm little bit nervous here. Okay, and now we are extracting the file. Extract here, and it will extract in a parent folder where our file was. So now we have downloads and the folder again, and just double click on the application, and here it warns us, and just click on more information, and it seems us the error or notification because the publisher is unknown, but it's okay. Run anyway and tap on yes. Here our pen drive 8 GB Cruiser Blade SanDisk, and just tap on install. It will double check, so first yes and second time also, and it will go to 98%, and again it will restart and go to 98%. Just wait a little bit. And it is failed. An error occurred during the installation. You can replug the USB and check and try again. I have tried much times, but it failed. So we have logs here, and by going down and down, we have here a write size 502 KB, and error code is 5. So this is the problem. We are gonna fix this problem. So just close this window, also close this application. The problem is Defender, Windows Defender. It's own security software, Windows Security, or you can search by writing Defender only. So just go to home and Virus and protection, then manage settings, and just close real-time protection, And also for safety, not to occur that same problem, while you are closing the real-time protection, your work is done, but though we are doing close this everything, that's why it will not distract us. So let us minimize this and go to file manager again, and downloads, and our folder, this is Ventoy 1.0.10. just open it again, and just double click on application, not on this, on this application 288 kbs. Just double tap on it and say yes, and now tap on install. And here we are warning, just like previous, I forgotten to inform you, the disk will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue, yes, we are going to continue, double check, okay. Then now it will go slowly up to 0%, 100%, 50, 60, 70, 90, 80, 98 and 100%. Congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed into the device. Okay, and now just you have to close these all windows, and just go to your ISOs, just like this. In my case, I have my ISOs in local disk D, and I have folder particular, and just go and send this ISO of Ubuntu, send to Ventoy E. This is the new drive. Okay, and again this is a Windows system file, and send to Ventoy E. So now our task has been done. After completing the transfer, just plug this thing into your PC, and you can boot your PC from this device. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share, and no need to subscribe, because I am not gonna make more videos like this, but I digged so much for this, and that's why, and searched for this error 5, but I didn't found a solution. That's why I made this video for helping people like me. So I'm done. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.